One of the most overlooked techniques in flamenco guitar is this basic rasgueado. Okay, I see so many guitarists trying to learn flamenco and they're doing this basic rasgueado wrong. So remember that rasgueado is just a strum. Okay, and one of the most basic strums, even though it's basic, it doesn't mean it's easy. Okay, so I encourage you to look at what I'm showing you, even if you're an advanced player and you're already doing all kinds of crazy stuff way beyond this. Okay, this is an index finger strum, an index finger rasgueado. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is put your index or your thumb on the low sixth string. Okay, does it have to always be there? No. Okay, it's going to be moving eventually, but right now that's a good home base for it. I want you to put your other three fingers out. Okay, this is a crucial part of the mechanics of this rasgueado. Okay, and now I want you to extend and then retract. When you retract, you hit as many of the strings as you possibly can, but keep those fingers out. They can bend sympathetically. I do not want them stiff, rigid here. I just want them out, creating tension against that index finger to help with the extension. Okay? Extend and then retract. My other fingers have not gone into my palm. Okay? I tell my flamenco guitar students that if I see them going like this, do not tell anybody you're my flamenco guitar student. Okay? It's really that important. It goes against the fundamentals of the mechanics of your hand, and it's just no bueno. Okay? So don't do it. If you're doing it, do everything you can to stop it. Okay? It is not helping you. It's hurting you. Okay? Trust me. All right. So that's it. That's the number one well, not number one, but one of the top techniques I see people doing wrong. Okay? So what we're going to do is I want you to now do this. I have it, the metronome set at 100. I'll count you in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start. Okay? And we're going to go 1 and 2 and, so the 1 and 2 and 3 and, okay? Cool. All right, so this is just muting all the strings. I'm going to count you in. You ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. See, it seems simple, but it is not easy. Okay? The big thing that I want you to work on is that this should not be a sweep. It's a hit. Both ways. It should sound like one single attack. Okay? So there are guitarists that move their thumb to strings. Tomatito is a very good example of this. He'll move his thumb according to what the chord is, which is a great idea. I don't do that, but it's an awesome idea. Why do I like that idea? It's because it minimizes your ability to mess up. Okay? So if I have a chord that is only on the top three strings and I put my thumb on the fourth string and then I'm doing my strum here, it's very unlikely that I'll hit these bottom strings. So that's very nice. I do other things to mitigate errors. Okay? And then lastly, I want you to know that if you're playing a chord and you want to hear that low sixth string, if your thumb is on that low sixth string, you're going to have to put it on the soundboard. Okay? So that's an important note. But I would submit to you to not make your home base the soundboard. Okay? I would prefer for your home base to be the sixth string or movable according to the chord. Okay? You should be striving to get every single string of the chord that you're playing, that you're strumming, and that you're only playing the chord that you're strumming, okay? So if you're playing a D minor and you're not doing this technique where you're putting your thumb on the fifth string, then if you have it on the sixth string, don't play that A string. You have to be that good at with your aim of your rasgueado that you're not playing that A string, okay? It's a lot of work. You got to put in that work, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. This is super important work to do, and it's the foundation of everything we do in flamenco. I mean, your index finger, when we're going with Bulerias, Tangos, every rhythm, we're doing a constant movement with our index finger rasgueado in between all the other fancy rasgueados, okay? So this is super, I mean, again, it's super easy, foundational, but a lot of people don't do this work, and their guitar playing ends up showing it. I wish you lots of luck. I do have to mention I am super excited, okay? I now have a program, my workout program that does a monthly workout for you. This month was 10 pages of exercises and technique ideas, notes, all that stuff. It comes in a printable PDF, and you get a new one every month. Not only that is once you sign up, you'll have access to a bunch of lessons, a bunch of material that is only on my program. So the link is down below. Please consider signing up. There's other tiers and stuff available, but I guarantee for whatever level of guitarist you are, you will learn a ton, and you'll have tons of new exercises every month to help you develop. I also include a workout tracker and to keep you motivated and accountable. And of course, then you'll be able to ask questions of me, and we'll be able to get right to the sources of some hang-up spots for you personally. And yeah, it's just a great community, a great thing. I'm getting lots of great feedback, and I know you're gonna dig it. So sign up. The link is down below. I hope to see you there, and let me know if you have any questions here or sign up. Okay? Thanks. Bye-bye.